video, and today we're going to be sharing with you guys our top fall fragrances. You guys know I'm obsessed with perfumes. Kelsey also loves perfume, but she's very particular about her scents because she can't wear everything. But me, on the other hand, I can wear more things, but I'm also very particular about the type of scent I like. And I'm especially excited for this video because my wheelhouse of scent style are the fall and winter type of scents, which are more warm, very sweet scents. So that is my go-to kind of fragrance.
Yeah, that's more you.
Yeah, that's very me. Kelsey likes a very clean, like cologne, sometimes more masculine kind of feel.
A hint of fruity.
Yeah. But for me, I love like that warm, sweet kind of vibe. So these scents are right up my alley. And if you guys are like the girly girl fragrance lover like me, then you're gonna love these scents. So we're gonna have all of them linked down below, so don't worry. And Kelsey and I actually have some of the same scents. So when we both love something, that means it's really good, and that means more people will probably love it.
Yeah, because we're actually very different in the type of scents we like.
Yes.
So hopefully this video helps you guys out a lot for this fall season when you're shopping for perfumes. So I guess we'll just start with the newest favorite. This is from Fenty. This is the Fenty Beauty perfume. And this was sent in PR. I didn't even know they had our address.
Yes.
So shout out to Fenty. This, first of all, the bottle.
So pretty. Love the packaging.
The bottle looks like fall. It's like this pretty amber, orangey toned bottle.
Gorgeous.
It has like the Fenty logo right here on the top. Super cute. And it has like a pretty rose gold detail at the top of the bottle. It smells kind of spicy with a hint of fruitiness. So this scent is really good if you also like fruity scents, but you want a little warmness in there.
Yes.
So this is perfect for fall. When I first put it on, I was like, this smells like a fall scent.
Yes. It's a little bit of floral in there, but not too much.
Tad bit.
But it's mostly spicy in my opinion. Like the initial note I get are spices for me. So the notes for this one say magnolia, musk, blueberry, Bulgarian rose, patchouli. That's the spicy note that we're getting. This has patchouli in it, so if you're not a fan of patchouli, then you won't like this, but if you do love patchouli, then you will. And Kelsey was right, the fruitiness is the blueberry, and it also says tangerine. And I was right about the floral because it has Bulgarian rose and magnolia. So I'm not a huge magnolia fan. I don't really like any
Yeah, me either. Gardenias.
Gardenias, that's not really my vibe. Preferably, most scents that I like that are floral always have rose in it. So rose does really well in the scents that we like. So if you guys like a very spicy, fruity floral, then you will love this. That's the perfect way to describe this. Spicy fruity floral. You're gonna love this. The only thing I don't like about this, it does not last.
Yes, I was gonna say the lasting power is not that long.
You gotta spray a lot
on, but this is the least expensive out of this entire video.
Yeah.
But that's probably why, because of the lasting power. So I do wish it had a little bit more oil in it so that it will stick to the skin better. So just do my little oil trick that I mentioned in one of our videos. I can't remember which one.
Was our beauty secrets or something?
Yes. Do the oil trick that I mentioned. Put on the oil first and then spray on the perfume, and it'll probably last longer, because without that trick, this didn't really last that long.
It goes away after 30-40 minutes.
Yeah. Okay, so next is another one that we both have that we're both obsessed with. We mentioned this in our fall essentials video, so you guys probably already know this scent. Some of you may have already purchased it, but this is from the 7 Virtues, and this is their Vanilla Woods scent. It's absolutely amazing. It's super sweet, but not too sweet to the point where it makes you nauseous or anything.
Not headache sweet.
No.
Just very comforting
sweet, very calming. So I like to spray it on right before I go to bed. So this has been my bedtime perfume. You can also wear it during the day, but I just like to wear it to bed because for some reason it just calms me and it doesn't give me a headache or anything. So and this is also really good for layering. If you guys like to layer your perfumes, this is a really good base perfume to wear with some of your other warm sweet scents, because it mixes really well, and a lot of perfumes don't mix very well. If you're someone who mixes your perfumes quite often, this is a good mixer. And the notes for this one are pear, rose, and vanilla. Very simple notes, but all scents that we love. I love vanilla, love rose, and love pear. Maybe that's why I'm so obsessed with it. Pear is one of Kelsey's favorite scents ever. Yeah, I was gonna say maybe that's why I'm so obsessed with it, because I've been obsessed with pear since I was buying the pear perfume from Victoria's Secret. What's the name of the pear one?
Pear Glaze.
Pear Glaze was my go-to. Pear Glaze from Victoria's Secret was my go-to perfume in junior high and high school, and that's probably why I'm so obsessed with this. I was a love
spell girl, and then everybody took my smell. I had to stop wearing it. Then I moved on to Pure Seduction. Y'all remember?
Yes. But yeah, that's probably why I'm so obsessed with this. I forget pear is in here. But yeah, on the back it actually does say that this is
calming.
It says calming, soothing, alleviating stress. So that's why I like to spray this before bed. So this is my bedtime perfume. It's amazing.
And this is my layering perfume. It's amazing.
Okay, so next I have 2 replica scents, and that's one of our favorite perfume brands. They have a ton of scents to choose from. They have a lot of summer scents, a lot of fall scents, a lot of winter scents. They just have something for everybody. This is a travel size actually. I'm almost out, as you can see, but this is probably my favorite scent from Replica if we're talking like fall warm scents, and this is By the Fireplace. Y'all, this smells absolutely amazing. It is on the sweeter side.
Yes,
so if you don't like sweet scents, you probably won't like this. But it also has like a woody undertone as well, which is why I really like it, because it's not too much of one thing. It's very rich and it's very cozy smelling, which is why it's called By the Fireplace. I just love the smoky undertone mixed with the sweetness of it.
Yeah.
The first time I sprayed this on in the store was like 4 years ago in Sephora, and I saw that they had a candle as well, and then I really lost my mind. So the candle is really, really good too if you get your hands on it.
Kind of pricey, so it's more of like a splurge.
It is a splurge.
Treat yourself, like for Christmas or something.
Yeah.
The notes for this are clove oil, chestnut accord, and vanilla accord. So very sweet, warm,
spicy.
This is a nice transition into like winter as well.
Yes, I would say this is a good fall and winter scent. So the other replica scent that I'm obsessed with is Jazz Club.
This is the one I prefer.
So yeah, Kendra likes this one more than By the Fireplace. They're very similar, but they have subtle differences.
Jazz Club is more masculine than By the Fireplace.
By the Fireplace is more feminine, more sweeter. Yeah. Jazz Club is, I think I got By the Fireplace first, and then that's when I discovered Jazz Club.
Jazz Club first.
Yeah.
So we both like got each other into the opposite scent, because Jazz Club was like my go-to for a hot minute. Then I had to give it a break. But I love this scent. I don't have it right now because I went through it way too quick and I was trying to get through some of my other scents. This is actually my second bottle of this, and I'm completely out of the large size of By the Fireplace, which is why I'm just hanging on to this little travel size that I keep in my purse. I love those though, because it's good for like reapplication.
While you're out, even though these replica scents have excellent projection, like they last.
The warmer ones, because I feel like more like they're like clean scents
don't
last
ones.
as long.
Yeah, you have to spray way more on. Yeah, but the fall scents, they last way longer, probably because of the notes. The notes are stronger.
I think so too. So Jazz Club has notes of pink pepper, rum absolute, and tobacco leaf absolute. So this does also have vanilla and smoky tobacco leaf. So it does say the tobacco leaf absolute. So it has a smokiness to it, which is one of my favorite like type of scents. I love like a woodsy smoky scent. It's very like androgynous, very like not predictable. I'm obsessed with those kind of smells.
Yeah, me too.
So if you like more of a smoky, warm scent, you're gonna love this. And I think it does have like a hint of like a masculine scent in there as well, if you like that too.
Yeah, and I like how it kind of smells like vintage a little bit. Like it smells like a old like 60s nightclub or something.
Yeah, that's what it says. The time frame. I love that about these. It says like where it takes place. It says Province and Period, Brooklyn, 2013. And it says fragrance description, heady cocktails and cigars. So the cigars kind of make it feel very like nighttime, very like old school.
Yeah.
Kind of timeless.
And this is described as a male fragrance. So
I said more masculine.
It's a unisex scent. So you and your man can use this. And I feel like you both would love it. So nice.
Okay, so my next one is a throwback scent that I used to wear years ago, and I decided to get it back in my collection because I really missed it. And this is Dolce & Gabbana The One. So this perfume like has really like sentimental value for me because it's one of the first perfumes I bought from Sephora. I remember I used to go in Sephora before I could afford anything in there. And I used to just walk in there and spray this and walk out and walk around the mall, see how I like the scent. Because that's also a really good way to see if you like something. Just walk around the store, leave the store, maybe come back if it settles well into your skin. But I would just walk in, spray it, and then buy it, obviously, because I couldn't afford it. But this has a very like sweet smell. It's like the perfect feminine womanly scent. Like if you're someone who needs a go-to fragrance, something that's not offensive at work, but something that's really great for day and nighttime, this is all you need. So when I tell y'all, I spray so much of this and it's not overpowering, it's not strong, it doesn't give you a headache. I love the scent. It is more on the like subtle side. It's not like a bam in your face kind of smell. It's more like subtle. I kind of feel like, I don't want to say it's a mom scent, but I feel like if your mom has a go-to scent and like you hug her, this is what she would smell like. I don't know. Like, you know, growing up, everybody's mom had like their go-to scent. And when you like smell her, it just smells familiar.
That's true, yeah.
This has like a very familiar, like comforting scent to me. So I'll tell y'all the notes. So this has amber, jasmine, peach, and vanilla, and it's described as warm and sweet gourmand. So I love this. It has like a lot of my favorite notes. I love vanilla, I love peach.
You like amber too.
And I like amber in a lot of my scents as well. I think that's what makes it like a softer scent, the amber. And it gives it like that soft kind of scent. So if you guys love like a soft, warm, feminine smell, you're gonna love this. And I also have the mini in my purse and I wear it all the time. I feel like the woman that's really put together smells like this. It just smells like a really put together woman. She always dresses nice, always has like cute shoes. I feel like if you have cute shoes, then you have good taste. This is the put together woman.
Okay, so next is an OG favorite of mine. This is from Tom Ford. This is another unisex scent. So this is described as a unisex scent. This is ombre leather. I feel like I've mentioned this in a favorites before. First of all, I'm obsessed with the packaging. I just love the sleek matte black.
Yeah, me too.
Even though I hate that you can't see how much is left in here, I still really like the packaging. This top is actually really heavy. It's like a metal, so it's really heavy, really good quality. I mean, it should be. It's Tom Ford and it's not cheap. But honestly, you can tell that this is unisex without even reading it, because I forgot that Jazz Club was unisex until I read on the bottle that this says male fragrance. Because to me, this is kind of sweet for a male fragrance. This is for like a male that actually doesn't like anything that's like too strong or too like spicy. Yeah, this is like spicy and warm to me. But this to me smells more of like a
more
cologne.
Yeah,
it smells more like a cologne.
It does. Yes, this for sure smells like straight up cologne, but it's the cologne that all the women wear.
Yeah,
like
exactly.
If you are like a nighttime, like very woodsy kind of girl, like I have this too downstairs, and I probably should have brought it up here.
Yeah.
And this was like my go-to like nighttime fall dinner smell.
Yes, this is a good dinner scent.
Yeah.
Also, this is bomb if you do not like sweet scents.
Yes.
This does not smell sweet.
No. So this has black leather, violet flower, and jasmine flower. So it's described as woody spices. Perfect way to describe it. Very woody. It's not sweet. It's just like straight up like spice and woods.
Yeah.
So I love this. Love. It's very specific. If you love woody spices, you'll love it. If you don't like woody spices, you'll hate it.
Yeah.
It's no in between.
It's like right on the nose.
Yeah. So my next scent is a newer one to the channel, but not to me because I've been wearing it for about 1.5 years now. And it is Mon Guerlain by Guerlain. I've heard mixed reviews on this perfume before I bought it, but when I read the notes, I felt like it was right up my alley and I knew I was gonna like it. So I blind bought this and I have no regrets. I will for sure be repurchasing this when it's gone. And as you can see, I've used quite a bit. This is the intense one. So they have the original one, which smells really good, but this is like a tad bit better to me. I have both of them, but I wear this one more. So this is a very sweet scent. Very sweet, very feminine, very girly. So if you don't like really sweet smells, then you're not gonna like this. But if you do, then you're welcome. So this has lavender, vanilla, and patchouli. So if you guys are a fan of patchouli and vanilla, then you will love this. So the lavender gives this a more calming kind of smell, but I love this for like all day. This smells very sexy, but a very like girly sexy. Like it's not like the dangerous kind of sexy. It's more like the more innocent sexy, if that makes sense. So if you guys like those kind of scents.
What do you mean dangerous sexy?
Dangerous sexy is something like this. I love this. It's more daring.
Yeah.
Not that this is like predictable, but it's like a little bit like more welcoming and inviting.
I get what you're saying. So dangerous sexy is more like Jimmy Choo, the original.
Yes, which I love. That's one of my favorites.
Yeah.
And this is very like calming. I think the lavender kind of like breaks up like that super sweetness, so it gives it a nice balance. And if you guys have never smelled these before, if you're like more of a lighter sweet, you're gonna love the original. But if you're more of like a heavier sweet, then you're gonna prefer this one. And this one does last longer too. So if you guys are looking for a really sweet, girly smell, then you're gonna love this.
Really nice.
And I feel like you can wear this like for years and years, like forever.
It's like a timeless scent.
Very timeless. It's something that's not dated, because I feel like some perfumes that people used to like and you smell them now, they're kind of dated, like Chanel number 5. I just will never understand
It doesn't
how they
smell
still
good though.
sell it. I know it's supposed to be like classic, but I feel like it's something you buy and you put it up as decor somewhere.
Yeah.
You know?
Because it don't smell good.
It's not something you wear.
No.
But this is going to smell amazing for years and years. So if you guys are looking for a go-to timeless scent that's sweet, this is bomb.
Okay guys, so my last scent is another travel size. This is from the brand Montal Paris. Kendra put me onto this brand. And once I went on the website, I was on there for hours. I have a few like full-size bottles from them, but those are more like spring, summery scents. But I'm going to get the full size of this scent. This is their Honey Oud scent. Y'all, this smells absolutely amazing. It is the epitome of fall. Like, it reeks fall. Like, I don't really see myself wearing this any other season, to be honest. So, this scent, oh, it's so nice. It's very particular. It's a little more intense. It's not light at all. So if you don't like scents that are like bam in your face, you probably won't like this.
It's like spicy.
It is spicy. Very spicy. A little bit of sweetness. That's where the honey comes in at. The oud is what makes it spicy. So anytime you see oud, it's going to be spicy. It's going to be warm.
I can smell the honey.
Yes, that's what the sweetness comes in at. So I decided to get the travel size because the Montal Paris perfumes are not cheap. They're pretty pricey. So before I like commit to a big bottle, I always get the smaller bottle first. And they also have like tester boxes, like with even smaller bottles than this. So you can like test out a bunch of small ones to see which ones you want to get the full size of, which I really like. Because they have hundreds of scents to choose from on there. But this one is pretty bomb. So this is probably like my go-to.
This is unisex.
It is unisex.
I figured.
So it is my go-to fall fragrance, like out of all these. I've been wearing this the most, and this is a very small bottle, so I'm gonna have to get the big one.
This smells like the perfect, like all the fall scents, like this in your perfect candle. This is the perfume version of that.
Yes, it does kind of smell like a candle a little bit.
So this has leaves of patchouli. It has lively cinnamon. It has rich amber, leather, and vanilla Madagascar. So
that is fall in a bottle. I'm telling y'all.
This is bomb.
It's fall in a bottle.
I'm buying this.
It's nice, right?
It's really good.
Yeah.
It's really good. How I put her onto the brand and she finding more sense than I do.
Yeah, I became obsessed with the website.
It is a lot of options.
It's so many to choose from.
Yeah.
Like, I find myself on there scrolling for hours and reading notes.
This is good.
So many good scents on there. They have something for everybody, every season.
Yes.
So, yeah. Okay, guys, so that wraps up this video. We hope you guys enjoyed it. We tried not to overwhelm you guys with too many scents because we can talk about perfume all day, especially this one. So we will have a full list in the description box of all these fragrances for you guys to check out. And let us know if you guys already use any of these. We would love to know which ones you already like, if you have any of these in your collection. So yeah, once again, we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see y'all next time.